Do you want to move faster, react quicker, and stop making those little mistakes that cost you easy points? If you play pickleball, there's one thing you should never skip. And no, I'm not talking about drills or strategy. This is the key to playing like the pros, and I can guarantee most players get this wrong. Stick around because I'm breaking down exactly what separates elite players from everyone else. If you're out there hitting without this one thing, you're actually slowing yourself down, leaving yourself vulnerable to injuries and bad plays. Pros never step on the court without it, but most players, they completely ignore it. Are you making this mistake? Imagine this. You're mid-rally, you see an opening, you go to explode for the shot, but your body doesn't respond the way you want it to. Your footwork is a step slow, and your reaction isn't sharp enough. You lose the point. That's the difference between winning and losing at the highest levels. And it all starts before the first serve. And today, I'm giving you a pro-level tip that instantly makes a difference in your game. Because let's be real, most players do their warm-up by casually hitting a few balls back and forth. And you know what? That's not actually a warm-up. That's a recipe for slow feet, stiff reactions, and unnecessary injuries. Top players don't just hit the ball better, they move better. They react faster. And that starts before they even step into a match. So what's that one thing you should never skip? Here's a one thing you should never miss. The answer is really this simple. A dynamic warm-up and a true muscle activation and movement prep. So why are pro players prioritizing this? Because they know it does three crucial things. 1, it increases mobility and flexibility, so you can reach those tough shots without straining yourself. 2, it boosts reaction time, so your body fires instantly instead of lagging behind. And 3, and probably the most important, it prevents injuries, because nothing kills your progress faster than getting sidelined with a tweak or a strain. And we know at least one person that has had that happen too. Here's the pro player 3-step warm-up routine that will instantly improve your movement on the court. Step 1, start doing shoulder swings. This keeps your paddle arm loose and ready for controlled shots, so no more stiff swings. Get the shoulders warmed up. Step 2, do some squat push laterals. Get your body moving side to side. Get the inner thighs firing and get your body to react to the right and the left, not just north and south. And step 3, do drop squats and transversal lunges. These are going to help you move smoother, get you to lunge better, and get you lower to the ground to help you with any of those dinks and get those hips ready to move. Oh, and here's one extra bonus step. If you really want to go crazy with your warm-up, do a few side slides and some light step over high knee runs just to keep your hips moving well. And if you do this before every match, you will instantly feel the difference. Now, if you want to see the full pro warm-up routine in action, drop a warm-up in the comments below, and I can send you the link to the complete pro warm-up. It's the exact routine I use with athletes to help them move better and play stronger. And if this video helped you, do me a favor, smash that like button and subscribe for more pickleball fitness tips. The Trax Method is dropping new content every week to help you play smarter and stay injury-free. Now get out there, warm up like a pro, and dominate the court. Let's go.